number 12. Over to number 9. Number 3, Ferrer. Stops, tops. No good, in and out. Nakuha ni number 12. Number 12. Drives, kick out, number 9. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Ferrer. Extra pass to Espinosa. 3. Ito na po. Team White. Team Eric, number 27, shoots a 3, Babawi Ivano. Ferrer, report over to number 9. Number 9, hold back to Ferrer. Naaagaw, nakakuha po. Turnover, number 7. Binigay ito number 27, number 27. In and out. Number 12. Number 12, kick out to Ferrer. Binigay ito number 13.
Wala sa taas, naglaban tayo!
Turnover.
Pagalitan mo!
8 minutes and 45 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Number 25, the big man. Nick, excuse me. Number 25, over to number 8. Number 8, number 8 drives. Lays up, the wood blocked. Hit. Binigay sa nalalim.
Nick, sa kabila ka, Nick. Hindi nakikita.
Number 29. Number 29, coast to coast. Wala. Natapigan. Number 3, Ferrer, fakes. Wala pa rin. Nagkaroon ng makante. Binigay number 13. Number 13. Number 13 ulit. To number 3. Traveling without passport. Dribble muna. Turnover for Team Ricks. Score pa rin natin. 3-0 in favor of Black Team Ricks. Number 23, bringing down the basketball over to number 8. Number 8, pinasa sa ilalim. Nakakuha niya pa rin. Short stab, no good. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Kick out. Nakakuha niya number 12. Number 12, 1-1, face to face. Lays up, no good. 23 over to number 8. Masandala number 8. Side stepping in. Lands on the rim. 3-2. Ang ating score, isa na lang po naman. Number 12, stops, shoots a 3, short.
Sabi kasi nyo, match lang yun. Yan ang maganda pag walang walang commercial player eh.
Number 8, yan na, nagmamadali. Dumay sa gitna. Kick out to number 27. Malakas. Nakuha number 25. Number 12, over to number 3, Ferrer. Ferrer shoots a 3. Ferrer, back-to-back threes for Team Ricks. 6-4 ang ating score. Number 8, miscue sa kampe. Turnover, back to Team Ricks ang bola. 6 minutes and 30 remaining in the first quarter.
Pwede na kami pala.
Oo nga, sabi ko sa inyo eh. Ayun yung...
Capture the ball game, number 12.
Ayun yung sinasabi ko sa iyo na ihagis nyo lang sa ilalim.
Over to number 9, number 9.
All goods kayo dyan.
Naagaw.
Yan pa sa NB.
Coast to coast is number 25, over to number 8. Short stab. No good. Who gets the ball? Number 29, over to number 12. Number 12, bumit na. Over to number 9, raise it up. Yes, sir. 2 points for number 9. 8-2 official score. Lamang ng 6 ng Team Ricks. Number 8, bringing down the ball. Over to number 25. Number 25, natapikan. Nakuha ni number 7. 10 seconds to shoot. No good, Pilira. Nakuha 27, blocked. 7 seconds on the shot clock, 7 seconds to shoot. Inbound play.
Oh, yung po kayo dyan, alis kayo dyan!
Number 29, fast break, over to Ferrer. Ferrer, raise it up, and in, 2 points. 10 to 4 ang ating score. Walong kalamangan Team Ricks, Lumayas, over to number 8. Number 8, short stab. Short, pero meron foul. Who's foul left?
Change 5 tayo.
Number 13. Change 5. Iwan ang shooter. Number 13, first personal foul.
Palit 5, palit 5.
Palit tayo ng 5. 4 sa team Rick at sa team Eric.
Right team, dun niya kayo sa kabila. Muna. Okay, di kasi nakikita.
First shot is good. For number 8.
Ako doon kayo sa kabila, man. Naharapan kasi sa committee. Doon ka doon, sa kabila. Ay, sorry.
White.
Okay. Last throw.
Palitan niyo yung mga Twitter ako na-shoot.
Pag nakashoot, palit yung isa. Last throw for number 8. Basket.
Di ata nakakapunta.
2 for 2 for number 8. 15 out, number 8 out, 15 in.
Walang penalty.
Wala naman, wala.
Ito na po, pinakatay natin ng star ng Team Eric. Ay nasa ilalim na yan, oh. Alright. Good tap. Good defense. 10-4 ang score. Lamang po ng Team Ricks. Number 28, drives, kicks out, shoots a 3, short. Nakuha na number 34, outside. Last touch on White. 4 minutes and 48 remaining. Shoots a 3 by number 23.
Tambakol ah.
28 wala, sorry. Team now. Binigay ito sa kabila. Driving is kicking out. Blanco na naman. James Blanco. 13-7 ball. Official score natin. 4 minutes and 16. Babawiman, number 28. Binigay kay number 8. Number 8 takes a pass. Binigay sa ilalim. Attempt to shoot. Tindira. Basket is good for number 24. 15-7 natin score. Team dribbling the basketball over to Romney. The main man spins, takes, shoots, no good. Rebound by number 24. Over to number 28. Binigay number 8 sa ilalim. Lays it up and in. That's my foul. Foul on who, Red? Foul on number 0, James Blanco. That's his first personal foul.
First time foul. Ay.
2 free throws for number 8. First shot. Oh, bonus lang pala, sorry. Pero may putback si number 24. Kung sila po kalamangan ng Team Ricks. Pipili agad po ng over. Nakuha ni Tagle. Over to number 5. Number 5 over to number 28. Balik kay number 5. Nakuha ni Tintin. Tintin nagmamadali sa Mayman. Sky. Bigay kay Tintin. James Blanco of Pagras for 2.
Dalawa na yung James Blanco natin ah.
Wala eh. Magkakamukha sila lahat.
Number 28, binigay kay number 5. Number 5 takes the shot. Short. Nakuha ni number 8. Number 8. Basket is good for
Box
number
out eh.
8. 21-4 natin score. 2:58 remaining.
Pinagbabox
Blanco
out eh.
over to number 18. Tintin. Binigay kay number 3. Binigay ito sa ilalim. 10th shoot. Number 34. Pumasas his way. No good. Number 28 with a rebound. Number 28, nagmamadali. Number 28 pa rin. Lays it up. And yes sir. 2 points, number 28.
Bakol na.
Blanco bumabalik. Blanco. But there's a foul. Foul on number 16. Number 16, first personal foul. 23-9 ang ating score. 14 seconds on the shot clock.
Minsan, galingan mo ah. Galingan mo. Kayo pambata ko dyan ah.
Shoots, yes sir. 2 points for
Eh, pagpasa ko dyan.
Number 5.
Pag dumating yun sa Alexis yun, tapos si NB, pwede na.
Binigay number 28. Number 28, raise it up, and in. Yes, sir. 2 points
Galing
for
nun, no?
number 28.
Si Junjel, nag-busy sa ano eh, kakamotor.
Blanco
Ayaw maglaro eh.
basketball being harassed. Over to Tim Tim. Tim Tim, sizing up the defense over to number 34. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 34 drives, natabigan. Who gets the ball? Number 28. Over to number 8. Number 8 sa ilalim. Number 5 brings it up. Wala, malakas. Number 8 puts back. 2 points for number 8. 27-11.
Yan nga lang matangkad sa kanila eh. Box out lang talaga, box out.
For Team Ricks or the dark jersey. Blanco, looks for his teammate, Tim.
Wala pa rin.
That shot, wala pa rin. Last
ball.
touch on black, save ball, white. Seconds on the shot clock. 24, just Blanco tries another 3. James Blanco 3. 2 triples for number 0 Blanco. Number 28, kick out to Ferrer. Ferrer finds his own. No good. Blanco. Blanco, hey, Tim. All alone. Sing along. Yes, sir. 2 points. Last 41 seconds remaining. Nakagaw ni number 5. Nakagaw number 3, number 24. Nakuha ni number 8. Number 8, all the way. No good. Number 8 pa rin, shoots. Basket is gone. That's a foul on number
34.
34. Number 34, first personal foul. Bonus free throw for number 8. No good. Rebound number 24. Push back. No good. That one number 28. 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Ayan mo, NJ ah.
5 seconds.
Andun yung t-shirt sa sasakyan mamaya.
24. Binigay sa ilalim. Okay, Peter. Last 12 seconds. Romney. Nagkawin. Diharas. Natrap. Nakagaw. Turnover. Nakuha ni number 8. Number 8. Lays it up. No good.
Counted.
Basket is good, sabi ni referee. Official score, 33-16. Nalampo ang Team Rex by 17 big points.
Bumax out kasi kayo, hindi kayo nagbabox out eh.
Malaki po ang inahabol ng
Papawis ang lalakas nyo.
Team Rex.
Alam box out eh. Si Kaya.
Back to the ball game. Start of our second quarter.
Gamitin mo yung sir, baka matek.
Ay, Ronik! Magdamit ka!
Back to the ball game. Black ball or white ball? White possession. 33-16 ang ating official na score. Start of the second. Ito na po. Ito pa si number 0 left. Blanco. Binigay kay number 23. Rico Blanco. Binigay kay number 23. Number 23 shoots. No good. Nakap yung bola. Back to 14 seconds of the shot clock. Rico Blanco, over to number 23. Rico Blanco shoots a 3.
Doon sa kabila, Ay, doon sa kabila, di nakikita dito.
First 3-point basket of the second quarter. Number 12. Number 12, slices in the middle, binigay sa kabila. Shoots a short jumper, nawalan. Nakuha na naman. Isa pang Blanco, ang dami na. Rico Blanco pa rin. Rico Blanco over to number 8. 15 on the shot clock. Number 8. Number 8, binigay kay Blanco ulit. Over to Blanco. Binigay kay number 8, shot stop. No good. Nakuha ni Blanco. Yes, sir. Ang dami na. Ito pa isang Blanco. Blanco. Over to number 9. Blanco pa rin. Blanco over to number 9. Blanco. Blanco is it up. Number 23 with the board. Now over to number 29. Number 29 counter steal. Swing move. Bigay sa ilalim. Kick out to number 9. Drives. No good. Nakakuha ni Jackie Lou. Jackie Lou pa rin. Jackie Lou. Binigay kay number 8. Number 8 at Bangladesh. Number 8 binigay kay number 23. Tries a 3. No good. Number 12 with the board. Number 12 at Bangladesh. Number 12 pa rin. Side stepping move. Nice it up. And yes sir. 2 points. Number 12. 35-21. Number 8. Number 8 pa rin. Number 8 drives. Side stepping move. Blocked. Last touch on Black. 17 to shoot. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Blanco. Over to Jackie. Jackie binigay kay
Third quarter.
Blanco. Number 8 shoots a 3. No good, malakas. Too much muscle behind. Nakuha ni Blanco. Jackie over to Blanco pa rin. Wala pa rin. Jackie. Oh, what a pass for Jackie over to number 22. Binigay ni Jackie. Rico naman yan. Rico. 5 on the shot clock. Pasandalan shoots. Short star is no good. Number 29 with the basketball. Number 12. Number 12 crosses over. Number 12 over to number 9. Number 9 tries. No good. Rebound. Jackie Blanco.
Yun eh, mahaba rin sila.
Si Blanco.
May matangkad din sila.
Sa isang Blanco. Kapatid nila sa labas. Blanco. Tinira. No good. Rebound. Number 12. Behind the back. Diretso. Dinilit. Nakuha pa rin ni Blanco. Jackie. Rico na yan. Rico. Upstep. Binigay kay number 8. Shoots. Yes sir! Nothing but the bottom of the net for number 8. Bringing down the lead to 12. 35-23. Number 9. Bringing down the basketball. Number 9. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 12 naman, Lauzon tries a 3. No good. Too much muscle behind. Oh. White ball. Last touch on Black. 35-23. A dozen-point lead for Team Ricks. Rico Blanco pa rin. Binigay kay Jackie Blanco. Binigay kay number 8. Number 8 binigay kay Blanco. Kapatid sa labas. Blanco. Wala. Jackie binigay kay Blanco. Kapatid sa labas. Wala pa rin. Number 29. Nakuha ang rebound. Number 29. Coast to coast. Lays it up. Kick out to number 12. Lauzon. Lays it up. Nakuha ng kapatid sa labas ng Blanco. Jackie binigay kay number 8. Yes sir. Sigaret. Ang sigarilyo ng mga siga.
Palit lima.
Change 5. Both teams. That's our second quarter. Official score natin 35-25. Sa pong kalalaman ng Team Ricks. Time remaining.
Oy, ba't ganyan jersey mo?
31. 5 minutes and 31 seconds on the game clock. Ayan ako, number 3. Back to number 5. Ferrer. Blanco. Binigay kay number 3. Lays it up. Number Blanco. James Blanco. James. Hesitation. Kicks out to Tobias. Shoots a triple.
Baklin. Pwede ka sa kabila. Doon ka sa kabila. Hindi nakikita eh. Thank you.
White. Lamang ng Team Rex by 7. Ferrer. Naagaw ni Domayas. Domayas lays it up. Wala. The big rebound by number 3, but there's a foul. Foul on number 16. That is second personal foul.
So, dali yan mo sana.
4 minutes and 47 seconds. 2 shots.
Pwede kayo magsabi ng kapatid mo eh. Magwardya ka na lang para may
The
taga-takbo.
main man of White tries to
Dalawa kayo ni
shoot
NB.
his first charity shot.
Kailangan ni NB.
Wala. Nakaka-adjust kaya? Second try. Wala pa rin.
Violation.
Lane violation. Black ball. Entering too soon. Hindi pa sinasabihan ni ref. Alright, Ferrer, number 3. Binigay kay number 8. Number 8, nag-abaw. Number 23, Tobias, lays up. Masyadong mabigat. Out of bounds. Number 28 now to Ferrer. Being harassed by Tobias is Ferrer. Binigay kay number 16. Binigay kay number 8. Number 8. Nakakuha ni Romic. Lays it up and in. Yes, sir! 2 points for Romic.
5 na lang oh. Nakahabol oh.
5 na lang po ang kalaman. Just a 5-point deficit for Team A.
Over pa.
Overcome Black. Nararating na lang Team Rex. Ito na po si James over to Domayas. Binigay kay James looking for his teammate being harassed. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Domayas shoots. Domayas gets his own miss. Binigay kay number 7, Lamar. Just a one possession ball game. Kalaman po, kalaman. Pinatrap. Nabigay kay number 28. Levels na yan, in and out. Nakuha, binigay kay number 3, Romic. Making his move is Romic over to James drives, shoots. Yes, sir! This is our first headlock of the ball game at 35 all.
Yan, mag-pressure sila, mga bata sila eh. Diba?
Over to number 16, Tagle. Over to Ferrer shoots. Lamang na naman po ang Team Rex by 3. James Blanco, 38-35. Rodney, balik kay James Blanco. Over to Domayas to James Blanco, 10 to shoot. Side stepping move, wala. Who gets the rebound? Number 8. Tagle pa rin, over to number 8. Number 8, over to Ferrer, short stab is good. Back-to-back baskets for Ferrer. James Blanco being harassed. Blanco pa rin. 5-point lead. Romic, easy basket. Pinabayaan si Romic for the easy boost. 1 minute and 48. Ferrer being harassed. Foul on number 23. Tobias. That is his first personal foul. First team foul. 1 minute and 44 remaining in our second quarter. 40-37. Palaman itlo ng Team Rex. Number 8 over to number 3, Ferrer. Binigay kay Ferrer. Ferrer fix. Ferrer sa ilalim. One alley play from Ferrer to number 28. 42-37, lima na naman pong lamang. James Blanco to Domayas may SNS daw sa kabila, over to James. Binigay sa ilalim at tabigan. Turnover. Black ball. 42-37. A minute and 10 seconds. To be exact, 70 seconds remaining. Ferrer, number 3, Ferrer being harassed. by James Ferrer. Pakitaan ng dribble skills, number 8. Hinilas na Dumayas. 10 seconds on the shot clock. What a pass to number 28 with an easy 2.
Ganda ng pasa.
Easy basket, ganun lang ang basketball para sa Team Bricks. James Blanco. James Blanco.
Ganda ng pasa.
Over to Romnick, back to James. 12 on the shot clock. Romnick, in and out. He gets his own miss. Romnick pa rin. Lays it up. But there's a foul. Who's foul, right? Number 28. Number 28, that is his first personal foul. 2 shots for Romnick. Last 26 seconds in our first half. Romnick, sort of his first try.
Love shooting.
Wala daw shooting. May narinig dito. Babawi ba? Good, in and out. Putback is good for number 23 Dumayas. 44-27, last possession. 28, Ihalas, nakakabol ni Romnick. Romnick, lays it up. No good. Nakakuha din number 28, last 9 seconds. Adler takes the 3. No good, number 8 with a board. Wins it up, no good. 2 seconds. James Blanco. And our first half. Official score, 44-49. 5 ang kalamangan ng Team Bricks, who has been leading all throughout the game. Halftime muna tayo, guys.